In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this start math question. Alright, so the question is under arithmetic and conversion. So let's look at it. It says a certain town has an area of 4.36 square miles. What is the area in square yards of this town? Where 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. Okay, so to solve this question, we already have in bracket, they say if 1 mile equals this. So what we are going to do now would be what will be the value of the yard in square. So 1 mile square equals 1,760 square yards. Okay, so let's punch use a calculator and see the output is going to give us. Alright, so we have 1,760 square, 1,760 square. So we have it to be 3,097,600. This output to give us 3,097,600 square. Okay, so now to get the area of the town in square yards, what you do will now be get the total of the values we have here. So it will be 4.36 times this value we just got. So let's punch this on a calculator. Okay, so this will be times answer times 4.36. what will the output? We have it to be 30,505,536 yard square. Okay, so that would be the answer to this question, option D. So this basically can deal with problems like the conversion for your start math. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure part of this channel membership by click on your box when you're getting premium information on how to solve other start math problems you will be dealing with. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.